Welcome back. Racing news. The Anthony Nunes-trained US-bred entrant of A Revolution is the 8-5 anti-post favourite for Saturday's feature event on the 10-race programme at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
The 7-year-old American-bred chestnut horse of A Revolution will once again take champion jockey Radish Roman to the post for Saturday's Eileen Cliggot Memorial Trophy, a graded stakes and open allowance contest for 3-year-old and up over 6.5 furlongs. The other fancied entrants in the small field of 7 are Gervano, to be ridden by Robert Halladine at 9-5, Pack Plays at 5-2, the mount of former champion jockey Christopher Mamdine, and Digital One, to be partnered by another former champion Dane Dawkins at 3-1. Of A Revolution, who will be making his third appearance on local soil, will be seeking his first win of the season. He made a winning debut on Mute Mile Day, landing the Bruce on the Loose sprint over 6.5 furlongs by 2 lengths. However, he was denied back-to-back wins on New Year's Day, where he was beaten into second by Gervano in the Miracle Man Cup over 7 furlongs. Of A Revolution, who will once again be toting top weight of 126 pounds like he did on New Year's Day, continues to work well at exercise and is expected to turn the table on Gervano, who may find Saturday's trip just a bit on the short side. Gervano has gone up 4 pounds at the scales, but as one of the most improved and consistent runners in the category, he's expected to produce another capital effort coming from off the pace. Pack Plays and a Digital One should complete the frame. The field is completed by Inspire Force with Nicardo Carr. Interesting times ahead to be guided by Shaheem Gordon, and Supremacy, the mount of inform apprentice Jaheim Anderson. The feature event is slated as race number 8 at 4 p.m, while first post is 11:30 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.